Friends, this girl gives the officer a kiss, and the officer gives her a gadget. The girl becomes happy and leaves with her sister. Then another girl who is lying behind sees this, gets up from her bed, and also goes to the officer. She kisses the officer too, and the officer gives her a gadget as well. Before watching what happens next, those who love their mother, like this video. Those who love money, comment money. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the remix button, and press use this sound for 2 seconds. Then you'll see magic. The girl takes the gadget and leaves. When she checks the gadget later, she finds out that it is fake. Then it is revealed that the officer who gave her the gadget was actually her friend.